for all my girls looking for a very easy wig to put on, and that's gonna just give that bust down, baddie, super confident look, and you just want something that is gonna make you feel like that girl. I feel like this wig is so pretty, and of course I have a discount code for you guys, so definitely check out the wig down below. But this is my very first wig install, so let's jump straight in, and I think you guys are gonna like this one because this is a really good one. Okay, I just put the wig on, you guys. It's super pretty and very, very freaking long. This is literally 26 inches. And she is tea, I cannot lie. But first I need to lay down my everything. And we're gonna use a hot comb. This hot comb is the brand Andis, I believe. So I'm gonna lay this down. I really wanna show you guys. It's so pretty and full and long. This is like, I think 250 density, if I'm not mistaken. So I will leave the link down below, and I'm gonna show you how quick and easy it is to literally lay this wig down and make it look like yours. Okay, honey? And I literally just slipped it on, I haven't done anything to the wig. I cut this just a little bit. I don't know if you guys can tell, but yeah. So I feel like hot combing, I always see the girls hot comb their wig down. It's not ready just yet. I just hot combed it. I don't know if you guys can tell, but it's definitely flatter. So we're gonna go in and straighten it, and then I'm gonna fix it up, and I want you guys to see how realistic it looks, because it looks so good. I just have to adjust it, but that literally, I'll show you guys. Okay, so just to tell you guys, this wig is so nice and so full. This is my second time putting it on. It's experienced very minimal shedding, and it's only experienced shedding because like I'm obviously for the first time putting like a hot comb through it. But in the back of like under the wig, it has a, I'll put it on the screen, but it has like an adjustable band so you can just snap it, and it has like a little comb attachment as well, and it's a side part, so it comes with a little bit of the baby hairs, but it's so long and pretty. And that's the thing, if you're a side part girl, then you know a good side part, like you cannot go wrong with a side part. Like I think I kind of like my side part a little bit more over, but we're gonna get that flat. And yeah, she's tea. I am a side part girly through and through. I feel like just the way my face shape is, a side part really complements my face shape. So some people, I feel like a middle part like definitely complements their face shape and makes them look much better. But for me, we're side part girls over here. So we're gonna straighten this. My heat is on 410. It's a little hot. And I feel like even straightening it, it literally goes through like freaking butter. Like it looks so good, you guys. The hair is so soft and so pretty. Like look, let me show you. I was sitting down, but now I'm standing up. Like it just looks so freaking good. Look at that. And it genuinely looks like an install to me. Like, this feels very much like an install. I feel like I could do so much more to lay it down, but I feel like just for like the quickest, like, oh, let me do a little something. I feel like she's tea. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. Hopefully you guys check out this wig down below, because I feel like this is going to be a really good one for any of the girlies that just want a really pretty bust down type of hairstyle on a day-to-day. So be sure to click the link down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe.